Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout and I am doing my picture of my great nephews. They are using their toy plow to push snow. So my background is cardstock from my stash. I'm going to do some gesso. I am using what am I using? November 2017 hip kit. So it feels good to do some voiceover, something I haven't done in over a week. My cardinal's outside eating the birdseed I put on the ground. The bear destroyed my bird feeder, which is good, which is fine by me because come to find out, my cardinals don't like those. So I need one with a base. So you can get some really nice cedar ones at Aldi's that have suet holders on the ends that I want to get for $10, $8.99 actually. So I'm going to go get me two. From there on Wednesday when Mateo has logos. I do my shopping during that time while he's there, so I don't have to worry about him. It's quicker. Anyway, so I just did gesso and it dries quickly. And now I'm going to take some different colors of aquas and blues and thought I heard Coco. Aquas and blues and do the packaging technique on the background. Because, you know, it's a snow layout, so that part you have to do. And I like how it turns out with that, doing this. Just do some ink, add some water. I add the colors in 3 places. And I'm doing different shades of green, different shades of blue, and teals. I wonder if there's any days Easter, Good Friday. I don't think we have any days off in April. Oh my gosh. It means I have to go all of April and all of May before I have a day off. That's really going to bite. That makes it so hard. Oh my gosh. So here I'm going to do a few circles. That black phrase print is American Craft Sweater Weather Warmest Wishes. That pink tree pattern is Crepe Paper's Fa La 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 Festive. And that blue snowflake pattern is American Craft Sweater Weather called Burr. So, I was going to see what I was watching. I'm so sad. I love all the Chicago Fire, Chicago Med, Chicago PD. I finished Chicago Fire and PD. Chicago Meds has its episodes during the week, but I don't see that Chicago Fire or PD do. Nothing on Hulu anyway. And I finished Chicago Justice, which only has season 1. So I'm sad because I love those shows. And it's awesome because on Chicago Med, you see those same actors from Chicago. They kind of intertwine with each other. You'll see Chicago Fire and Chicago PD on Chicago Meds, and vice versa. So you'll see Chicago Fire and Chicago Meds on Chicago PD. So it's cool. And Jay on Chicago PD, he's my fave. Yeah, he's dreamy. Anyway. So I'm going to use some puffy stickers, which are from Pink Fresh Studio December Days. And that is pretty much all I use on the layout. Hey, Patton. You're going to come chilly with me? Oops, watch out. So that card I had cut from a paper, but I did not write it down because I cut them apart and didn't keep the branding strip. It was cards I used from the 2016 kit, I do believe. So, anyway. And then what I did when I finished the 2016 kit, I added it to the November 2017 kit. So whatever I didn't use in all of one kit, I added to the next. And then I added all of those to the December 2018 kit, which I depleted pretty much everything. Still had, sorry, Patton, still had, I didn't mean to bump your pumpkin head, still had some embellishments left and went on to my Freckled Fawn 2017 kit of December, which was Christmassy. And then I depleted the papers in that, but still had some embellishments, but don't have Christmas paper in my stash, really. So I put those away for next year. All right, go Patton. Goofy ball. All right. I gotta go get my phone in case Alex texts me. So I'm going to do my title now. And child in the word child and plow and powered are Hip Kit Club's alphabet stickers. They're their exclusive alphabet stickers. And then snow is American Crafts doll stickers because I wanted the snow. See this one, they're gold. And then I use the gold and the pink, but those are both Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers. And I wish I had like a name for it like Thickers does, so you can kind of distinguish between which Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers you're talking about, but these are the alphabet stickers that were found within the 2016 and 2017 kits. And then snow, I'm going to use these silver alphabet stickers from Thickers because I wanted it to be that silvery, reminds me of snow. Even though snow is white, but it just goes with a snow layout. I don't know why, but it does to me. And so here's where I do the powered, and these punch out, so super easy on that one. Don't need any sort of wax papered for those. So I just have to figure out where to position the title and what is appealing to my eye, and that pretty much completes the layout. So I will certainly be back with more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.